So I haven't posted anything on this in a while. Been really working on it. The pour kind of took a lot more than anticipated. Did a couple of seal coat pours, learning curve stuff really more than anything on this. Quite a bit actually on the pours. So let me kind of fill you in on those. Did the seal coat. Kept putting the seal coat down, waiting for this thing to self-level. It never did. And then after watching video after video after video, I realized that I really wasn't using enough epoxy. So when you have to do the flood coat, the key word there is flood. You have to use a lot of epoxy, and you have to very actively push it around to be able to get the gloss finish. So anyway, figured that out, did it. Then the other learning curve that I had took me 2 or 3 days to fix, and that was we dammed up the sides with blue tape. And if you're going to do a pour like this, you really need to pull the blue tape off after about 3 hours or so of the pour. Had that information nowhere on any videos that I ever saw, but I saw it on a crafts video. Instead, I left the tape up. Unfortunately, what that did is that left a sharp edge that came up from the liquid as it wicked up the edge. So today, I was able to go around it. It also encased the tape in epoxy, so I had to get all the tape off, resand the sides, and had to do a round over on my router. With my little palm router. So I could have avoided all that if I just would have known to pull the tape off after about 3 hours. And then what happens is this is sticky enough that where it wicked up, it'll actually start to slump down. It'll do its own little round over. So the plus side is really the table's about ready to go. I've got to finish the sides. Got to sand them down to about 240 is what I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to put spar urethane on there. As you can see, though, whenever you do any sanding on the glass finish, you kind of ruin it. So you ruin the glass finish part, let's put it that way. So where I did the roundovers, you can actually see some white there too, but that's just because that was an edge. The spar, I'm hoping the spar urethane takes care of that. But anyway, so I have to be really careful about sanding, because if I sand up on the top, I'm done. I got to re-pour. And this stuff's expensive, guys. It's like really expensive. The half liter? Yeah, the 1 liter. Yeah, I did the 1 liter, I think. Well, anyway, one of them was like $70. So, just to be able to pour this is like $70. Anyway, it's good stuff. Looks nice. It'll be pretty. Had it upstairs in the living room. We actually poured it in the living room and kind of did some stuff there. And so, because I just couldn't get the temperatures down here to get it to go good. But anyway, so there's that. I do have dust spots in it. I guess the guys that pour these kind of have clean rooms and stuff. I just don't have any of that. So I've got some dust spots in it, got some imperfections, got a couple of wavies here and there, as you could probably see if I go back and forth. But other than that, mostly it's pretty nice. So it's nice enough for a coffee table in my little living room, and unique enough to make me pretty happy about it. So hopefully by the end of this week, I will have this thing mounted onto the base, which is upstairs. Get the sides done. I was able to get all the tape off, so hopefully tomorrow I can get them down to 320. And then I need to go buy some clear gloss spar urethane, but I'll put that on. That's some pretty heavy duty urethane. It's what I did the table with. You can pound it with nails. It also is plastic, and it should be able to be really pretty around the edge. So had to have it already on the bottom. Actually had it on the sides too, but anyway. All right, there's 5 minutes. But there you go.